For decades, industrial systems have depended on compressed air, but when environments push systems to their limits, air begins to fail. Freezing, moisture, leaks, downtime, air had its run. It's time for a smarter, more reliable approach. Introducing EVA, the electric valve actuator engineered for environments where failure is not an option. EVA is a state-of-the-art patented system that eliminates compressed air entirely, removing the most common points of failure. Instead of air pressure and air system controls, EVA uses direct electric actuation for controlled, precise movement. Its positive closure electric actuator prevents valve leakage and upset, fewer components, greater reliability, smarter control. Built for extreme temperatures, moisture, dust, and abrasive environments. Field testing has shown efficiency gains of up to 25% while reducing downtime and total cost of ownership. By removing air infrastructure and simplifying system design, EVA delivers savings that start immediately and compound over time. Less downtime, less maintenance, more control. EVA isn't an upgrade. It rewrites the rules of valve actuation. Outperforms air. Built better. Period. Reach out today to learn more.